Welcome to DelphStack, and in this video, we will fix Valorant Error Code 152 using a simple step-by-step method. First, go to your Windows search bar and type Run, then open it. In the Run box, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. This will open the Services window. Now scroll or press the V key on your keyboard until you find VGC. When you see it, double-click it. Change the startup type from manual to automatic, not delayed start, just automatic. Then click Apply and press Start. Wait a few seconds, then click OK. After that, open Control Panel from Search and go to Programs and Features. Scroll down and find Riot Vanguard. Right-click it and uninstall it completely. When uninstall is done, open the Riot client again and launch Valorant. It will prompt you to install Vanguard again, so click Install and let it complete. If it asks for a restart, do not restart yet. Go back to Run, open services.msc again and check VGC once more. Set it to automatic again if needed and start the service. Then open System Configuration, go to Services, hide all Microsoft services and make sure VGC is enabled. Finally, restart your PC and relaunch Valorant. Thanks for watching.